Good evening and welcome to our Northern Lights adventure. My name is Sheldon and I'll be your guide for tonight. Now, a little bit about myself. When I was very young, I've always been mesmerized by the night sky. And when I'd learnt about the Northern Lights, I've kept it on my bucket list as a goal, and that's what's brought me here. Now, it's good to see most of you have traveled just as far as I have to view this spectacle. We've got Ling Ling and Chan, who have travelled from Singapore, and Mike and Deline, who have travelled from New Zealand to view this. Now, what are the Northern Lights? Well, it begins with the sun, and at the centre of the sun, we've got temperatures that reach 14 million degrees Celsius. Now, this creates plasma. Now, the plasma within the sun moves to the outer layer of the sun, where some of it escapes. This plasma that escapes is called a solar storm, and this hurtles all the way to Earth. Now, this takes about 18 hours before it reaches us. But thankfully, our Earth has its own magnetic field, which blocks most of this plasma and energy. But not all of it. Some of it enters our atmosphere at the north and southern poles, where the magnetic field is the weakest. It then proceeds to, the charged particles proceed to interact with oxygen and nitrogen, creating photons. And these photons are what we can see and we have named as the aurora borealis, meaning dawn of the north. Now, tonight it's pretty cloudy here on the coast, but we'll travel to Sheboygan to try and view some of these northern lights. Here around the coast, it's about 70 to 80% cloud cover, and if we travel to Sheboygan, it's got about 1 or 2% cloud cover, so best to view these northern lights. Now, thanks to our team at Chasing Lights, they've given us the data that we need to bring to you the northern lights, and we will try our best to do so. Now, any questions you may have, I'll be happy to answer them, and when we're traveling, I'll give you a demonstration on how to change your camera settings and which camera settings will pick up the northern lights the best. So thank you very much for joining us.